In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and manage footnotes in a Word document. Footnotes are a handy way to provide additional information or cite sources without cluttering the main text. They're especially useful if you're working on academic or research projects, so understanding how to use them effectively can really enhance your documents. Let's dive right into the process. To start, you'll want to place your cursor exactly where you intend for the footnote's reference mark to appear. That's the little superscript number that readers will click on to jump down to the footnote. Take a moment to think about where this should logically go in your text. Ask yourself, does it make sense there? Once you've figured that out and clicked the spot in your document, you're ready to move on. Next, you'll utilize something called the ribbon in Word. If you're not familiar, the ribbon is the toolbar at the top of the Word window that houses all sorts of useful features. For adding a footnote, you'll need to look for the References tab on this ribbon. Go ahead and click on it. Within the References tab, you'll find a section labeled Footnotes. In this group, you should see an option called Insert Footnote. Click on that. After you click Insert Footnote, Word does a bit of magic. It not only inserts a superscript number right at the spot where you placed your cursor, but it also automatically moves your cursor down to the bottom of the page. This is where you'll actually type out the footnote text. This dual action is really efficient, as it sets you up to immediately input the detailed information or source citation you've decided to include. Now that you're at the bottom of the page, you can go ahead and type in whatever text you want in the footnote. This could be an explanation, a source citation, or any other relevant details. Take your time to ensure that your footnote text is clear and complements your main content properly. Once you've typed out what you need in the footnote area, you're probably ready to return to the main text of your document. To seamlessly jump back to where you left off, simply double-click the footnote number. This takes you back to precisely the spot in the main text where you inserted the footnote reference mark, allowing you to continue working without missing a beat. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can insert footnotes quickly and efficiently, maintaining the flow and clarity of your document. I hope this tutorial has made the process clear and easy to follow. Using footnotes effectively really is a great way to add depth to your writing. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.